Hey everyone, it's Vanessa, and I'm absolutely thrilled to introduce you to the Calm Empowered Parent podcast. Join me as we challenge the notion that parenting needs to be perfect and look the same for every family. Raising resilient humans is a profoundly personal and at times transformative journey, and I'm here for every step. Over the past 2 decades, I've gathered a treasure trove of tools and strategies from the classroom and from coaching parents and caregivers. Drawing from positive psychology, Montessori principles, and my own research in resilience and motivation science, I've come to one resounding truth. There's no one-size-fits-all approach to parenting. Every parent and caregiver has a uniquely personal journey to finding their own authentic style. And while love is the cornerstone, having the right tools in your parenting toolkit, that's the game changer. I can't wait to empower you and your family with research-tested tools that last the ages and build lifelong relationships. So now, picture this. The calm, empowered parent. They get why their kid's acting up. They parent from a space filled with love and mutual respect. They're consistent, confident, and joyfully navigating their parenting roller coaster. And guess what? They've got this toolbox full of calming, empowering strategies that leave everyone feeling uplifted. And even though I've helped families over the last 20 years, I keep wanting to remind parents, every journey has a starting point, right? Just like every seedling eventually sprouts and matures into a beautiful tree. I'm genuinely honored to be on this parenting adventure with you as we muddle through it and figure out where your starting point is and where you want to go next. We'll dive into valuable topics like motivating kids with less rewards and punishments. We'll help you discover your authentic parenting style and navigate meltdowns and tantrums. We'll even hear from a decluttering expert and mother of 5 how we can declutter to promote child independence. Here's a peek of what you could look forward to this season.
Kids are way more competent and capable and creative and willing and have a big desire to participate in the world, right? And participate well in their world, right? They want to, I don't want to say they want to please because we don't want to raise just a bunch of people pleasers, but they do want to do well, right?
I'd say in our world, there's a satisfaction of competence.
Yes, they want to feel confident. Confident is how they want to feel.
Feel confident because they're competent. And that's like, what a beautiful combination.
I always thought like I would have empathy as a value, but like when you're pushed against a wall because your kid hits you with a chair over your head, like it really takes it to a different level of empathy, you know, of being like, well, what is going on here? Let me think about what's happening. How can I like kind of control like the multiple things happening at once and move with my daughter through a healthy place?
For me, saying to myself, like, you can get practical in these micro ways and choosing one area that feels like it's explosive and just like sitting down with that area and deciding like, okay, if I may take one action to what I say that I want in this area, what would that look like?
I love that. That's really similar to like the leadership work that we do in our second, third, and fourth year in the immersion. We say, what would a something person do?
Yeah.
Right? So like, what would a financially savvy person do?
Oh, I like that.
Yeah. Like whatever it is that you're trying to like, kind of come with. Can't wait to see the incredible things I know that you can accomplish. And we'll do it together. So let's dive into this raising resilient kids thing. And make sure you stay tuned for a season filled with real talk, practical tips, and stories that'll make you feel like you're chatting with a friend. Won't you join me for the Calm Empowered Parent podcast? I'll see you there. As we wrap up, remember, there's no one-size-fits-all way to parent. Keep nurturing those strong family bonds and watch resilience bloom in your community. You've got this. And if you found this episode valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. You can also hop over to thecalmempoweredparent.com for current events and to grab your copy of the Calm Parent Strategy Guide. You can even learn how to bring our free and low-cost workshops to your school or community. Your support means the world to us and helps us empower more parents and children. Let's do this together.